Hello, in front of me I have Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your heart rate measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to not to move around, basically try to keep still. Okay. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu, and here tap on the heart rate option. Now I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, and the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically, as you can see. And here we have it. The number will jump around because it's measuring the heart rate in the real time. But once it stabilizes a little, that means it's your current heart rate, like this. And once you're done, you can press the side button to exit and go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.